Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome to one of my favourite types of video, a video that I've not had chance to do for absolutely ages, but it is a train fare unboxings video. Now, over the last couple of years when I've come home from train fairs, I've just put the things that I've bought to one side and I've saved them for the next live stream. However, for my current series of live streams, I've already done a sort of train fare unboxing, so I thought at last I can go back to the old days, go back to the way I used to do things and unbox them and give them their own video, really, unpackage it all in their own video and show it to you all as soon as I'm home from the train fair. Now, as it happens, it's been a few days since I was at the train fair. It was at the weekend and it's now in the week, obviously. Well, it's now Monday. So I've had a little bit of a while to forget about some of the things I've bought, so it should be a bit of a nice surprise again when I get them out, although obviously it's not that long ago, so hopefully the amnesia hasn't set in just yet. So I've got some bags. Here's one of them, and this is going to be awesome. I'm going to open up some of these bags and show you what I came out with. So come with me, take a look, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's do this. Now, I had an inkling that I'd be doing a video like this because I knew that I was going to 2 train fairs over the period of my most recent series of live streams. So I've planned for it, and in fact, quite a long while ago, a couple of months ago, in fact, I bought some wagons off eBay, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to be doing a train fair video at some point, so I'll include those in the next train fair video. So I've got those to do as well, but I thought I will, you know, just because it is a train fair video, I will start off with something I bought at one of the train fairs. So I've got this blue bag. Let's take a look and see what I managed to get. So, 3 wagons inside here. I think I got 3 for £10, which is pretty good, I think. So that's £3.30 each. And they're not sort of old and crusty wagons that you might expect me to have as well. I normally tend to buy quite old-fashioned rolling stock because I tend to be a bit more interested in the engines and things, but of late I have tried to get some nicer rolling stock. So here's the first one. You might not get this in focus too well, hopefully you will. It's a nice LMS wagon. I do like an LMS wagon. Caught my eye, this one, because obviously it's really nicely painted inside and out. It's got metal wheels and also proper couplings on it. Not NEM couplings, but they are at least the removable ones. I don't know why I put such a big gap between and movable, but yes, that's what that is. They're not all like that though. This one, for example, and I've had one of these before. Was this on the Caledonian? No, not the Caledonian. It was on some sort of train set. Which one was it? It was the Somerset Belle. There we go. This one is the milk tanker wagon. It's got 3 metal wheels on it, although one of the couplings does seem to be missing. I wonder if that's inside the bag, possibly. If not, it's not a big deal, because I only paid £3 each for them. I don't think there is one in the bag, but obviously I've got absolutely hundreds of the dratted things, so all I'll have to do is find one and put it in there. But it's got one on it, and to be honest, I think for £3.30, that's still alright, that's still a good deal. And then a Great Western box van as well, so there we go, I like that one. This one's not quite as nice because it's only got the plastic wheels, but it is a reasonably modern one. I assume this will have come from a train set of some sort, possibly, although it's unlikely because we've got a Great Western and an LMS one there separately. But either way, I think those are very, very nice, and they'll look nice on whatever train I decide to put them on. Okay, so I also managed to pick up a couple of locos. So here we go. I'll show you the loco to start with. So this is one that I've already had. I mean, I've not had this particular version. It is a schools class, of course, a Hornby schools class. The one I've already got is a Southern Railways black version, and it wasn't very good. It fell to pieces when I got it out of the box. In fact, it had fallen to pieces on the journey to me, and it never worked very well. So I was a bit apprehensive at buying this, but it was sold super cheap. The guy that was selling them, it was his personal collection that he was getting rid of, and he was selling engines really, really cheap. And in fact, I paid £65 for this, and the RRP is about double that. And it seems to be in good condition. Let me tell you a bit more about it. It's Wellington, there we go, and it is in the Southern Railways green. Now, I'll do an unboxing of this at some point, so I'm not going to take it out of the box. All I will show you is the box itself. There we go. So it's in the nice modern Hornby packaging. For £65, I couldn't resist that, and I thought, you know what, we'll do another schools class review, and I'll probably really enjoy it as well. Okay, so that's the loco, and I've also got a few bits of rolling stock. I don't think this is from the same seller, I just got it in the same bag. So this is old-fashioned. Look at this, wrapped in paper, just like the old days. So, I forget what was inside here, actually. Oh my word, I've just realised what this paper actually is. Well, we'll talk about that. Formal shirt detailing and construction. So if you buy from a certain model railway seller, I've no idea who it was, but not only do you get some nice wagons, but you also get to find out how to make a formal shirt. How absolutely bizarre. Why on earth did he get these? Is he a shirt tailor or something? I have no idea. But I've certainly never been given anything like that as packaging for locos and things before, or rolling stock. So first of all, it's a Sam's Trains classic. It's the Ocean Wagon, of course. And I saw this because, well, I thought, you know, I'm going to get it. It was £4, so that's a bit on the expensive side, I would say. But it does have modern Hornby metal wheels on it, which I thought, ooh, they can't be original, but they're nice. They're worth a few pounds on their own. So I picked that up, and that's, you know, +1 to my Ocean of Ocean Wagons. And then this van, this is one of your standard sort of Hornby vans, plastic wheels, of course, but it's one that I've never had before. It is Van Hooten's Coco. Never heard of the company before. Maybe that's just my ignorance, or maybe, you know, maybe they are a bit unheard of. Possibly, though, more likely they are a big hot chocolate company or something like that in the UK. But I've never had one of these wagons before, and it's in good condition. I mean, I've had one of these wagons before, but not in this particular livery. So that's pretty nice. So 2 of those, I think I paid, it might have even been £9 for the 2. So quite expensive, but this I hadn't got before, and this, you know, Ocean Wagons are a bit special to me. No idea why they're special. I've just got loads of them, and I'm just, you know, trying to build up as many as I possibly can. Okay, the eBay lot. Now, what happened with these is, I was on eBay, and occasionally this happens if you haven't been on eBay for ages. You log on and it says, welcome back, here's £10 off your next purchase, or something like that. And they just give you a code. So I thought, well, all right, sure, I'll take £10 off. So I found some wagons which were priced at about £15, and obviously the voucher knocked 10 quid off. So I ended up getting 4 or 5 wagons for £5. I thought, man. So that was the first lot. There's actually 2 lots in here, but I've grouped them together into one box. So there we go. So £5 for this lot. It's an absolute bargain. The seller didn't sell them. I mean, the seller will have got £15 for it. eBay just made up the extra money. But yeah, I was lucky enough to get some off. And these are the ones that, you know, were bought months ago. So I absolutely cannot remember what was inside here. So, Locheli. Whatever it is. It's a nice blue wagon, as you can see. Metal wheels as well. Now, I think these are ex-train set. It's one of the Hornby 040 train sets, I think. So that's really nice. No NEM couplings or anything, but it does have the metal wheels, and I believe it's new. I think that was new. The seller said, I can't remember what the seller said. I believe they were either new or as new, you know, almost unused. Here's another one that I've never had before, never owned this one before, never owned this yellow tanker before. It's DJS Petroleum, and it's in such good condition. As I say, I'm pretty sure it's new. Once again, nice metal wheels, oldish couplings, but that's all right, I don't mind those. Really, really decent wagon, that. What was in here? Oh yeah, look at this. All of this for a £5, it's just crazy. Look, a nice box fan. It's not got any lettering on it or anything like that, no printed work, but it does have the metal wheels, and once again, the removable couplings on them, which are really, really cool. Not NEM, but again, pretty good, I think, for the money. And I can't remember what, oh, okay. So we've got a nice little brown wagon here. How many planks? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plank wagon, I think, although the bottom plank is sort of like a half plank, so it could be 7 or 6, who knows, and who cares. It's a lovely little wagon, so that's pretty cool, and it's got the metal wheels as well. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm quite excited about this for £5. I'd forgotten actually that there was 4. I thought there was only 3, but there was 4. So that's brilliant for a £5. So that happened, and then something bizarre happened, because when on my sort of eBay shopping, I opened the voucher page on a new tab, and it went loading, 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 and I got another £10 off voucher. So I thought, what? I don't think that's going to work, will it? So I just pulled up any old wagon listing and applied it, and just to see if it would work, and it did. The problem was, I didn't pay any attention to what wagons I was putting it on. I just put it on any to see if it would work, and I didn't realise that once you've put the voucher in, you've got to use it on that purchase, or something like that anyway. Either way, I accidentally went through the checkout and bought the wagons that I was just testing it on. So so these are what came. It's not nowhere near such a good value purchase as the last lot, but I did get 3 wagons, and they're Lima ones, I think. But I think they were cheaper. I think it might have only cost me about £1 or £2 for this lot. But as you can see, they've got sort of Hornby Dublo couplings on them, or Dublo couplings, which are no good. So I can't really use them on my railway, unless, of course, I try and fit some normal couplings on it. Bear with me, the camera's about to run out of recording time. Are we back? There we go, that's better. Yeah, you can only record for 10 minutes at a time on this camera. So yeah, we've got this Beefeater chips van, which, yep, I have already got actually, but my other one's got the normal proper couplings on it. Then there's a box, no, not a box fan, it is a wagon with a coal load. I don't know if the coal load comes out, no, I don't think so. But it's the same situation, it's got someone's put Hornby Doubleau couplings onto there, which is alright. I mean, I suppose if I ever get a Hornby Doubleau 2-rail loco, I could save it, and then save them for it. And then there's this, I think this is a Hornby one, yeah, no wheels on this one. I can't remember whether it had wheels and I've taken them off. I don't think so, I think it just didn't come with wheels. So yeah, not so good. For £1 it's absolutely fine, but yeah, I'm just gutted I couldn't have picked up something like this again with them. So I'm going to leave this one over to you. I've got 3 useless wagons, 2 of them with wheels, 1 of them without wheels. What shall I do with them? I'm going to leave it over to you. The best idea, I will try and do it. The wackier the better, but it doesn't have to be wacky. The most boring thing I could do was to try and find some couplings and just couplings that I use and put them on. But whether I do that or not is up to you. I'll let you decide. Okay, well, we're getting quite near the end. I think there's, oh no, there's something else left in this bag. Oh, not that interesting. It's a Lomac, so I'll put a Bullman on that at some point. In fact, it's a slightly different painted Lomac to the ones I've normally got, so I might be able to do a special edition Bullman or something to give away in a stream. So, yep, keep your eyes peeled for that if you're interested. And then there's one more bag. Oh, and it's a loco. So this is a loco that I've always wanted, but it's always been far too expensive. So I've managed to pick one up. It is this. It is a Hornby Lord Nelson class. I'll give you a tiny little peek. I've not opened this yet. There we go. That's all I'm going to let you see. Now, it wasn't such a good bargain. I paid 125, I think it was, pounds for this. And then at the next train fair I went to, at the GCR exhibition, I managed to see that they were selling them for about 100 there. So I did waste a little bit of money, but either way, it was cheaper than the RRP. The RRP was like £170 or something crazy like that. So overall, I think I'm quite happy with that. And obviously, keep your eyes peeled for the review of that. Really looking forward to it. So let me just get all the carrier bags out the way, and I'm going to put these all in shot for you, if I can. Where should we put this? Top corner? Yeah, there we go. I don't know. Oh, hang on. Coupling. There's a coupling. That must be for this. There we are. Well, that's handy. So it did have its couplings on. It just dropped it very easily. Oh, well, good. That's great. So I haven't even got to find a coupling for it. That's perfect. So I'm going to put it all into shot so that you can see exactly what I came home with. Pretty happy with all of this stuff, actually. It didn't really cost me an awful lot, especially all the eBay rolling stock and things. So it's a bit of a mishmash from a couple of different train fairs. Well, one train fair, one eBay shopping trip. But either way, still quite a nice little haul of stuff. I'm pretty happy about it. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed seeing that. That's all I managed to come back with, and I'm pretty happy, doing pretty well on the southern locos and things. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. It's been a bit like old times, hasn't it, going through train fair stuff on video. But yeah, hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and also let me know what I should do with the sort of cheapy Lima wagons. Looking forward to what you come up with. Okay, folks, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Cheers, everybody.